Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snap and selecting the Camera tab. Make sure you are signed in. Tap the Record button once to see modes, then choose Hands-Free from the options so you won't have to hold the screen. Position your phone on a stable surface or tripod and frame the shot, because once recording begins you want steady composition. Adjust exposure or switch lenses if needed, and confirm audio input by speaking a short test line. Next, you configure the detailed controls. Pick front or rear camera depending on whether you're filming yourself or the scene. Once done, tap the timer or hands-free button to set a countdown if you need time to get into position. Make sure to check the duration limit so your clip won't cut off. If you need a lens or filter, add it now because changes mid-recording can disrupt framing. Confirm audio again and lock orientation to prevent accidental rotation during capture. When you're ready, press stop and immediately review the clip. Watch both picture and sound to confirm quality. If satisfied, save to memories or export to camera roll so you have a copy. If you plan to post, trim, or add captions before sharing. If things go wrong, no audio, failed start, or app crash, force close Snap, reboot the phone, check permissions, and retry a short test recording to isolate the issue before repeating the full shoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.